Hello friends, welcome to my channel. How are you today? Today I'm in Landmark Resort or Landmark Mekong Riverside Hotel. It's a 5-star hotel. I came here to drink tea and I thought just make a video and show you this ultra luxurious restaurant. Just have a look at this. Here's my tea. The restaurant is really very luxurious. Have a look at this. And now I'm going to take my tea. It was very nice to show you this place. Hope you guys enjoy this video. Please have a look at my other videos on channel. I have traveled more than 66 countries around the world and counting, and I like to make videos. Now I'm just starting the YouTube channel so that you also can enjoy the best places in the world which I have been. Bye for now.